Today we want to show you our new next generation mobile banking experience based on our Mobility Enterprise platform. It's probably worth mentioning that this feature is currently live at a number of banks and has proven to drive mobile banking adoption and usage tremendously. Now let's go back to the home screen. As you can see, there's an alert against my insights. What this means is that there are some matters that require immediate attention, something that bank recommends that I do. So I click to see what is going on, and I should mention that this analytics engine is delivered by Personetics. So what we see here is the account prediction balance, and it sort of tells me a story. As you can see, this particular story is rather sad. The bank is suggesting that I'm very likely to go into an overdraft later this month. I can see the transactions that the bank is anticipating, such as the monthly service fee, some bills. It also takes into account the salary that I normally receive on a particular date of the month. And on the right-hand side, there are some insights, some suggestions from the bank on what I can do to avoid this. So, for example, I can transfer some money from my savings account. It can also be canceling term deposit or buying an overdraft protection. So I choose to transfer money from my savings account. I tap on it. All the fields are pre-populated. The amount is calculated and suggested by the bank. I confirm the transfer. And after a few seconds, all my finances are taken care of, and I can start looking forward to my holiday.
So that was all delivered by Mobility, the most proven mobile banking, alerting and payments platform in the world.